Hey, Glitz Glam fam, welcome back to my channel. Guys, it's all that I can do to not scream right now, okay? This is why I'm single. That's all I'm gonna say is this is why I'm single, okay? Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna do just a quick unboxing today. I got another box from Influencer, and this is the Carol's Daughter Wash Day Delight box. So oh, and it's so heavy. This is like super heavy. So so this is the Carol's Daughter new Wash Day Delight, the perfect pair. So what's in here is, oh, hold on. Okay, 2 transformational products to cut time on wash day. Water to foam shampoo plus jelly to cream conditioner. So I guess it's saying water, foam, jelly, cream. So it's all 4 in 1. So yeah, let's check these out. And they are huge, guys. These are full size. So there's this, and then there is this. Oh, whoa. Primo box. Okay, so this is the Dream Detangler Jelly to Cream Conditioner. And this is the Wash Day Delight Water to Foam Shampoo. So these are super huge. Okay, the directions are: wet hair, use pointed tip on shampoo to target the scalp. Oh, wow. So you could do like this right into your scalp. Okay, let me take it out of the plastic. So Carol's Daughter, from what I understand, is like for natural hair. I think it's for like curly hair. So yeah, so this is water to foam shampoo. Okay, so I guess you put it on in your scalp and then you foam it, which is good. I actually really have a really dry scalp, so I have like a lot of dandruff. Okay, so made in the US, New York, East Coast. Okay, so yeah, what do you do? Yeah, wet hair, use pointed tip to target the scalp, gently massage into scalp and hair while working through lather with mid-length to ends. Rinse well. Okay, and then this is the conditioner. So I guess you scoop on the conditioner. You know, okay, my one sister, Beverly, she's so into shampoo and stuff. Shout out to Beverly. She would really get her rocks off with this. Oh man, this girl has all types of shampoos and whatever. When I was living at my parents' house, I literally did not buy shampoo. I would go to her room and steal all types of shampoo out of there and conditioner. Don't tell. But yeah, she would really get her rocks off with this. This is funny. Okay, so this has no parabens, no petroleum, no mineral oil, no artificial colors. It's huge. Wow. Wash Day Delight recipe. So, oh, I can't smell it. Yeah, this is really big. This looks like, you know, the old school thing of grease. If you're black, you will know. It's grease, so if you're not black, okay. Now, for black people, you put grease in your scalp, okay? It's like this consistency, but it's kind of like an oily type whatever. Anyway, it's called grease. So you put this in your scalp back in the day. Now, you know, they have the spray and whatever. But okay, guys, so I'm gonna try these out. Yeah, I mean, I don't really have that much shampoo here at this house, as you know, I just moved here, so I will definitely try these out. And they're definitely for African American hair or curly hair, or, you know, probably whatever texture. But I think it's for curls, because I think it's for curls. Let me see, hold on. Yeah, because Carol's Daughter, I think it's for curls or natural hair or something. But yeah, so you want to apply the shampoo and the conditioner, and it lifts away buildup. Oh, faster detangling. Okay, so yeah, it's for if you have like kind of texture in your hair. But I mean, I think if you have straight hair, you could probably use it too. But yeah, so they say it cuts time on wash day, so we'll see, guys. So yeah, so you want to check out my other videos that I have, my mystery makeup box series. I'm about to film the grand finale right now after this video. Also, I'm going to be having a subscriber appreciation giveaway. I'm going to randomly pick 5 subscribers and put their name in the video. So you guys want to stay tuned for that. You want to make sure that you're subscribed and have the notification bell on. And thanks so much for watching, guys. Till the next video. Bye.